Hey there, welcome back. We've got a fantastic topic that's going to help you kickstart your career on the right foot. 5 key tips to excel in your new job and make a great impression. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our career boosting content. Now, let's dive into the video. Tip 1, prepare and research. The first tip for excelling in your new job is to prepare and research. Before you even start, learn about the company, its culture, and the role you'll be stepping into. Your career coach, Rohit Mamgain, can help you gather essential information, so you walk into your new job fully prepared. Tip 2, build strong relationships. Tip number 2 is all about building strong relationships. In your new job, connect with your colleagues, superiors, and subordinates. Building rapport and being a team player can make a world of difference. Your career coach can provide guidance on effective networking and relationship building strategies. Tip 3, demonstrate initiative. Demonstrating initiative is our third tip. Be proactive and take on additional responsibilities when possible. Show your dedication and enthusiasm for your role. Rohit Mamgain can help you develop strategies for showcasing your initiative without overstepping. Tip 4, communication skills. Tip number 4 is all about communication skills. Effective communication is vital in any job. Whether it's expressing your ideas clearly or actively listening to others, honing your communication skills is essential. Your career coach can provide valuable insights and tips for improving your communication abilities. Tip 5, adaptability. Last but not least, tip number 5 emphasizes adaptability. Be open to change and willing to learn. Industries evolve, and so should you. Rohit Mamgain can guide you on how to adapt to new challenges and keep up with the changing demands of your job.